Alright guys, looks like my top, did I leave my top off over there? Looks like I sure did. Today's the 18th, Monday, and I guess I gotta check my stuff. I came to get my queens out of the queen bank and to see if these queens have been let out on the splits that I did. I can't believe I left my top off. There's still bees in there. That's not good though. I feel like I didn't leave it off there. I need to go back and watch the videos. So I need to take my last 3 queens out of that queen bank to my Elm Grove apiary. All right. Now hopefully I can make splits out of those. Let's see. A little bit of smoke. Not. Oh yeah, you gotta take out one of the frames. Sorry. I'll put you back here in a second. Make sure the queen's not on the other side over here. There's plenty of brood down there. Watch me drop this. Yep, she's still in there. Well, maybe not. There's a bee in there. It's the queen. I'm sure she's dead. Dadgummit.